Hi, this is John with WTI, and I always try to keep myself trimmed, and because my job and situations like require me to always try to keep my trim and my grooming perfectly. So this is where this Felix Norelco one blade comes into place, and this is sharp as you cannot imagine, easy to go around with, has a battery inside of it. So it's gonna be recharge. You can actually be on the charge on the go, and this just cuts really good. So I've had my beard, always trying to trim the proper way, and it's just you don't have to be passing around one, two, three, four, 5 times. This just go with one side, maybe two, and you're already good to go. It's not too hard on your skin because actually the blades they cut really close to your skin and they give you a really nice sensation of a close shaving and it just do the job. So if you're indigo, this is a must. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point.